If I were to look at this painting before it was done, I would think, how in God's name was this painting done? And that is what I'm about to show you. One thing I do know is that I wanted vibrant colors. My painting's vibrant? No, big shock. In honor of Pride Month, I chose a rainbow colored palette. And I love rainbow colored palettes. You could almost never go wrong with them. Bam, you got your color palette right there. And because I want the colors to really pop, I am using my Cosmic Black Cell Activator. And remember, Cell Activator works because it is more dense than the colors that you're swiping over. And as you can see, since the Black Cell Activator is more dense or heavier than the rest of the colors, it's going straight through, causing the lacing and cell-like effects. Aside from all the prep work that I had to do to complete this painting, the part you see on video took about an hour and a half to do, so obviously I have this video sped up. I want to make sure that all the color is covered with the cell activator. And this is the hard part for me. I want to make sure that I'm evenly distributing everything on that pan across the entire canvas. And now I'm going to repeat the process again. Now, because I want color contrast, I'm starting the opposite way. I'm going to go from the violet to the red. First time I went from the red to the violet. This time I'm going the opposite direction. Because when I swipe with the violet going over all the other colors, those are the colors that are going to show up more, and you will see why. By the way, the violet that you see there is actually a blue-violet color shifting paint, which will be in the description of this video, along with the recipe for this painting and all the other colors. I'm swiping nice and slow. The cells take a little bit to show up. They don't always show up right away, so don't be discouraged. Now, as you could see, the violet and blue and purple is more dominant in this swipe as opposed to the red and orange and yellow in the previous swipe, and that is exactly what I want. All right, here it goes. Pretty cool. And for the next swipe, I'm starting with red and going all the way down to the color shifting blue-violet. And I'm going to keep doing that with every swipe. I'm going to keep flipping the colors around for every swipe. I'm actually going to switch to my other swipey tool. Now when doing a swipe, you want to make sure that your swipe tool is angled. Makes it a hell of a lot easier. Ooh, that's a good one. Love it. I'm just using a spatula that I got from TJ Maxx. Nothing special or extravagant. And to get that little side area right there, I'm using a smaller swipe tool with an angle. And notice that I turn my canvas because I want to go from front to back when I do this. Let's see what happens. Very cool. So far, I am loving it. Vibrancy at its finest. And switching the colors again, going from the violet, blue, purple shift back to the red. I'm not even really sure what to call this technique, but similar concept with the dustpan pour. Fluid art has thousands of different techniques, and the way I see it is trying to master certain techniques, whether it's swiping or ring pours. It's all about, to me anyways, is learning your paints, learning the consistencies, the densities, and knowing what's going to work and what's not. And it does take practice and lots of trial and error and lots of frustration. Ultimately, the paints are going to do what they want. Ooh, I like that one. Okay, right now I'm just going to cover up that little red speck right there because I wasn't crazy about it. And watch as the cells pop up with that red speck right there. It's going to blend right in with the rest of the painting. Do you all think this painting is going to turn out subtle? Something tells me it's not. I am going to be transparent and say that I attempted this painting a few times before finally getting it somewhat right and presentable enough to show you on video. Okay, and since I'm probably talking way too much, I'm going to shut up for a little bit now and just let you watch. cells and the lacing in this painting are so detailed and intricate that it almost doesn't even look like fluid art. It looks more digital. But I gotta say, I am really pleased with this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, please don't hesitate to leave it in the comments section. Till next time, bye!